Measurement of time. There are 12 months in a year as per the Gregorian calendar. They are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. January is the first month and has 31 days. March is 3rd, May is 5th, July is 7th, August is the 8th month, October is the 10th, and December is the 12th month. They all have 31 days each too. April is the 4th month and has 30 days. June is the 6th month, September is the 9th month, and November is the 11th month. All of these have 30 days. Only February, the second month of the Gregorian calendar, has 28 days. During a leap year only, February has 29 days. The year begins with the month of January and ends in December. Then, a new year starts again in January. Now, let us see if you have understood the chapter well. What comes before and after March? February, March, April. What comes before and after July? June, July, August. Months of the Indian solar year. Let us see the months of the Indian solar year. Chaitra, Vaishakh, Jyesht, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin, Kartik, Agrahayan, Paush, Magh, Phalgun. Now, Chaitra, the first month, may have 30 days or 31 days. Vaishakh, Jyesht, Ashadh, Shravan, Bhadra, that is 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th months have 31 days, while Ashwin, Kartik, Agrahayan, Paush, Magh and Phalgun, that is 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th and 12th months have 30 days. Now, let's identify the months before and after. Which month comes before and after Bhadra? Shravan, Bhadra, Ashwin. Agrahayan, Paush, Magh. So, how many months have 31 days? 5 months. How many months have 30 days? 6 months, except Chaitra, which varies every year. Days of the week. Yesterday, today and tomorrow. Days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yesterday, today and tomorrow. Today is Wednesday. What day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow it will be Thursday. Today it is Saturday. What day was it yesterday? Yesterday it was Friday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Measurement of time. Measuring time with reference to the terms today, yesterday, and tomorrow. So children, even talking about the days of a week, we are actually measuring time. In the sense, when we say today, we are talking about the present time. When we say yesterday, we are talking about the past time. And when we say about tomorrow, we are talking about the time which will come later or future time. Let us first revise the days of a week. There are 7 days in a week. The first day of a week is Sunday. The second day of a week is Monday. The third day of a week is Tuesday. The fourth day of a week is Wednesday. The fifth day of a week is Thursday. The sixth day of a week is Friday. And the seventh day of a week is Saturday. Now, let's connect and relate the terms today, yesterday, and tomorrow with the days of a week. For this, you have to remember this table of days of week thoroughly in serial order and randomly also. Now, let's take a few examples. Today is Sunday. Then tomorrow will be what? Here, we should see what is the first statement. Since it is given that today is Sunday and tomorrow means the day after or next day. Thus, if today is Sunday, then next day is Monday. If today is Sunday, then Monday is the correct answer. Now, let's understand the relation between today and yesterday. Let's take an example. If today is Thursday, what day was yesterday? Consider the first statement. Today is Thursday. And yesterday means previous day or the day before. And the day before Thursday is Wednesday is the correct answer. We can relate the terms today, yesterday, and tomorrow with other things too, along with the days of a week. For example, the first example is today is Saturday. We have a half day at school. Tomorrow is Sunday. It is a holiday. Yesterday was Friday. There were matches in the school. Let me explain. Now consider the first statement, that is, today is Saturday. With reference to the first statement, if today is Saturday, tomorrow or next day will be Sunday. With reference to the same statement, that is, if today is Saturday, yesterday or the day before was Friday. In the same way, the other two examples can be clearly understood. They are, today we have mathematics in the first period. Yesterday we had maths in the third period. Tomorrow we have maths in the seventh period. Today we have a maths examination. Yesterday we had the Marathi examination. Tomorrow we have English examination. Question. Write the names of days of week in the boxes. Based on the concept of today, tomorrow and yesterday learnt in this chapter and the table of days of the week, let us fill the empty spaces. See the first part of the exercise. Solution. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow is Friday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. since with respect to yesterday. Today means the day after or next day. So, we should consider the day after Tuesday, which is Wednesday. Tomorrow is Saturday. Today is Friday. Since with respect to tomorrow, today is the previous day or the day before. So, we should consider the day before Saturday, which is Friday. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow is Monday. Since given tomorrow is Monday, with reference to tomorrow, today is the previous day or the day before. So, consider the days before Monday, which is Sunday. Yesterday was Saturday. Today is Sunday. Since it is given that today is Sunday, with reference to today, yesterday means the previous day or the day before Sunday, which is Saturday. Tuesday comes between Monday and Wednesday. Recollect the table of days of week. You can notice that between Monday and Wednesday, it is Tuesday. Friday comes between Thursday and Saturday. As you remember the days of week in serial order, you will notice that between Thursday and Saturday, it is Friday. Now, complete the table shown on screen. If today is Tuesday, yesterday was Monday, tomorrow will be Wednesday. If yesterday was Friday, today is Saturday, and tomorrow will be Sunday. If tomorrow will be Monday, today is Sunday, and yesterday was Saturday. Children, keep practicing this concept through many different situations. Measurement of time, months of Gregorian year. Let us go a still further in measuring time. A week has 7 days, and 4 to 5 weeks make a month. A month has 30 or 31 days. 12 months make 1 year. Months of a year are read in 2 ways. They are months of Gregorian year and months of the Indian solar year. Mostly all of you are familiar with names of the months in Gregorian year. Let us learn the names of months of the Gregorian year. They are: first month is January, second month is February, third month is March, fourth month is April, fifth month is May, sixth month is June, seventh month is July, eighth month is August, ninth month is September, 10th month is October, 11th month is November, 12th month is December. The numbers below indicate how many days each month has. January has 31 days. February has 28 or 29 days. March has 31 days. April has 30 days. May has 31 days. June has 30 days. July has 31 days. August has 31 days. September has 30 days. October has 31 days. November has 30 days. December has 31 days. Now, let's learn the names of months of the Indian solar year and also the number of days in each month. The first month is Chaitra. It has 30 or 31 days. The second month is Vaishakh. It has 30 or 31 days. The third month is Jeshth. It has 30 or 31 days. The fourth month is Ashadh. It has 30 or 31 days. The fifth month is Shravan. It has 30 or 31 days. The sixth month is Bhadra or Bhadrapad. It has 30 or 31 days. The seventh month is Ashwin. It has 30 or 31 days. The eighth month is Kartik. It has 30 or 31 days. The ninth month is Agrahayan or Margashish. It has 30 or 31 days. The 10th month is Paush. It has 30 or 31 days. The 11th month is Magh. It has 30 or 31 days. The 12th month is Phagun. It has 30 or 31 days. Now, see the table of both Gregorian and Indian solar year months together. Question. You have to circle the number which shows the serial order of the month. Answer. As July is the 7th month of Gregorian year, hence circle the number 7. As March is the 3rd month of Gregorian year, hence circle the number 3. As October is the 10th month of Gregorian year, hence circle the number 10. As Paush is the 10th month of the Indian solar year, circle the number 10. As Bhadra is the 6th month of Indian solar year, circle the number 6. As Ashadh is the 4th month of the Indian solar year, circle the number 4. Students, practice these months over and over again.
Handling data. Use this year's calendar to complete the table below. Name the months with 31 days. Answer: January, March, May, July, August, October, December. How many months have 31 days? Answer: 7 months have 31 days. Name the months with 30 days. Answer: April, June, September, November. How many months have 30 days? Answer: 4 months have 30 days. Which month has 28 or 29 days? Answer: February has 28 or 29 days.